Oh, wow. You know what they always say? If we can't see it, it's not there. Have you heard that saying? Have you heard that saying? If we can't see it, it's not there. We need to see it in order for it to be there. If we can't see it, it's not there. It's as simple as that. We're always going to have that thing in our head that it's not there. Even if it is there, we're always going to have that thing in our head that it's not there. The eye needs to see to believe. These people, these people don't understand that. Do they understand what billionaire status is? Do they understand what billionaire status is? Do you know how easy it is to go and get do you know that if you're making just 200 million, just 200,000, 200,000 a month, just 200,000 a month, you can afford a Lamborghini. 200,000 a month, you can afford a Lamborghini. What I'm saying is, buying a car or renting a car, whatever you want to call it, is not difficult. Getting a house and paying it off with a bond is not difficult. But having 100 million in your account, well, that's another level. That's another level now. Even having 10 million or 50 million, like I showed last time, is a different level. That's not paying off a car. That's not paying off a house. Anybody can pay off a house. You just need a good amount of money. 300,000 rand a month, you can have a house and a car and something really, really nice. But cash is king. How much cash do you have? How liquid are you? That's what it all comes down to. How liquid are you? And the difference is, I own my cars. I've shown my paperwork. I remember, I'm sure you guys were all with me in Coach, where I was just taking out the files, man. I was just taking out Mustang paper, this paper, SVR paper, M4 paper. I just kept on. Remember, I was with NSO and he was just going at me, and I was like, okay, cool. What did they call it? I didn't even know where it showed ownership, and then it was like owner, me. Next paper, owner, me. Next paper, owner, me. Next paper, owner, me. I was showing my cars. I'm like, I own this shit. I'm not paying it off every month. I own it. It's mine. Exactly. Yes, there we go. The RC1. Remember, how many RC1s did I show? 5. I showed 5. S5, M4, the two SVRs. Remember, the 2 SVRs and the RS3. Remember, everybody was like, no, the RS3 is not true. And I remember Ryder doing a video and I was like, listen, I'm still changing ownership on the RS3. Now, I have paperwork for the RS3. 5 cars. SVR, 2. Mustang, M4, S5, RS3. 5 cars. And I had 5 RC1s. Let me put my mentees in, if he accepts. Why can't I accept anybody these days? What's happening with my iPhone? Guys, you must remember that guys who need to live in a fancy place, and there's an objective behind it. There's a motive behind it. They need to show you that, you know. Of course, I pay insurance for my car.
Is you man international, straight up, no bullshit.
Anyway, guys, this is one of my mentees.
Straight up, no bullshit. But just tell them, man, you're a DJ now. We are on the DJ vibe now. Otherwise, guys, if you want to join, you need to pay up. You need to pay up. Everyone joins when paying. Otherwise, we don't give shit out. We must have the cut. We must put the money where the mouth is. What's happening, Big G? You good?
I'm good, man. What's happening?
Nah, bro. I just cleaned out my apartment today when I got from work. Otherwise, things are going, smooth, as I can say. But it's on the charts. You know, I'm trading every day.
Every day. Nice.
You know the story.
Yeah. Otherwise, what setup did you take today? Did you take
Sorry?
Did you take the one that was dropped in the group?
Nah, I didn't take that one. I'm actually just analyzing what's this thing, VIX. But yeah, I haven't been looking at NAS for a while now. Let's say 2 weeks. But yeah, I'm just waiting on. But you know the story, how we trade, what we trade. You know what I'm trading from. I've been saying it, so I'm sticking with that shit. That shit is powerful shit. You know it already.
Yeah. I love these people who are like, let's see your MT4 history. Let me go get an editor. I'll show you my MT4 history. Guys.
And you know what's crazy? These guys, I don't know.
Hold on,
it's all about putting in the work.
How simple it is to edit. I want these guys to watch this. I was listening to I'm a piano, leave me alone.
You know the story. Tell the people you're a DJ. So you're listening to Kabza. You should listen to Obza, man. You're gonna be a better DJ.
Wait, what did I want to show you? What did I want to see here quickly? How?
Yo, it's been a rough 2 months, almost 3 months. I can't say 3 months yet, but otherwise, where I am right now,
Oh,
I'm not I'm not even gonna lie and fucking say this or that. It's all about putting
you,
in the work. If you put in the work,
oh yeah.
inshallah, you know the story,
Eh,
Marco.
eh, eh. I remember I once searched how to edit websites on iPhone. Shame, doesn't happen. I wanted to see if you can see how to edit MT4 app, how to edit videos for YouTube.
Aibo.
There we go. Tutorial for business. How to use MetaTrader 4 mobile. Master 12 minutes full tutorial for Android. How to customize MT4 on Android. Where is it? How to
Are you talking about that white guy that you shared the thing with me or what? Was it on your story that
you can't use inspect elements to edit. Let's just go. I'll show you something quickly. Search how to. Let's just see here how to edit.
come to think of it, a few months ago, all I was seeing that art behind you and checking, yes, one day I want to be like this, bruh. Here I am right now, hustling through all this pain and suffering. Finally, I'm coming to where I want to fucking be. Otherwise, shout out, bruh.
Wait, I want to show them how
I can't believe it also, bro.
to. No man, hold on. How
How to edit. How to edit.
how to where the fuck is how to yes a
Those make it difficult. Understand. Mm, mm. This is not a guessing game, guys. Honestly speaking, big stuff. Hey, otherwise I've been seeing how you flexing that tank again earlier there, young. That tank don't play games, young. It's like a fucking open throw. That thing just make
I want to see
checking
this.
it.
I'm gonna see how
Where's that wifey of
well,
yours, Marco? Is she at home?
imagine
That wifey of
imagine to
yours, or
edit
you alone?
imagine to edit on iPhone. It needs to be connected to your laptop. So that's how. So you can actually edit. You know that?
MetaTrader 4.
Yeah,
Is it?
yeah. You can actually edit. How to edit text on any website permanently for Windows. Oh, that's Windows. Yeah, it says you just connect. You basically connect the iPhone to the laptop. Open restrain settings on your MacBook or MacBook Pro. Then you should get an option to say inspect elements, and from here you will be able to change the web page on the phone just the same way you are seeing on your main screen using your MacBook. That's what a fucking mission. Yeah. Ah, shame. So people actually go through this.
Yo, bruh.
So people
Bruh,
actually go through this.
literally, I don't have time for all this crap. When I found that key, and you know that time I DM'd you, you remember that time I'm tuning, I found this fucking thing and I'm hammering on this guy. I'm backtesting the shit out of the shit, bro, and it's been working. But otherwise, some people ask me, why you just yelling? Why you just yelling? And I put a bind to them like, either way, it's blues. It's blues, either way. Same thing, same thread.
I want to show them it's how to edit. You can actually edit an MT4. Like how brokers, let me just say how brokers manipulate MT4.
Yeah.
How bro, because people think the blue screen is everything. Because manipulate. No? Hold on.
No, not as big as Marco's, but I'm getting there.
Manipulate.
That's all. That's all a fact.
MT4. MT4. Screen. Four. Screen. Oh, trick. Screen.
Marco,
yeah.
can you like but you won't be able to, ne? Like for example, like a trading view, ne? You can't share it here on Instagram to a live or some shit like that.
I want them to see this.
Let's see this cock. Let's see this cock. As a demo. It's a demo.
The demo.
Hey!
Watch.
10 mil. 10 mil. You remember that, bruh? 10 mil. I found my account with 10 mil. I'm the real deal.
Watch this, guys. Watch this, guys. Watch this. That's why I don't take the blue screen.
Name the company, whatever it could be.
It's a demo.
If you want, you can have a live account and do this, but let's just say we're going to do it this way. So we're going to go on Euro USD. We're going to buy something real quick.
Watch this.
I feel like I should get off WhatsApp these days also. Too much messages and just stay on Telegram. Fuck.
Look at what he's doing. Look at this.
Completely new search.
There it is. There.
And we're going to do.
Oh my god. And that's what they're doing.
So you're gonna have like to do this. You need 2 demos, and you need 1 live if you're gonna try and fake it live. Well, you just need 2 accounts really, 1 demo and 1 live really. That's all you need, or just 2 demos.
Watch this.
What you're trying to show that person. The gurus always, well, not always, but sometimes they may leave it on. For most of the time, after they do this, they delete the demo that got them the account balance that they want to show you. So I'm going to start the process. So it's 999.70, right? And then we're going to switch the account that we want to fake the balance on.
Watch this.
Yeah, Marco, you're making a fool out of this robot car, okay?
We've got a position running. That's what we got. So what we're going to do here is we're going to scan for the new value. What's the balance on the account that we want to change? So we're going to refine it, right? That's what we're going to do. Now we're going to edit it, and then we're going to change it to whatever we want. So let's say we want it to be, I don't know, feel like $1 million. You know, I put 2 million in there. So 2 million.
What the fuck?
You're gonna see that it's actually matched.
Look at that. It says 2 million.
Damn, bro, I just saw that shit now there.
The links in the description and everything. Anybody can do it. And anybody can be fooled by this, right? And you want to know the real thing that gets people going when they flush it, right? This is live there, the server, the account number. You know, if you have a live account, it's better to hide.
You can do this on a live account.
It doesn't matter. Well, this is the thing that really gets people because it says live. For example, there it can say regulated broker. And this is perfect, right?
Exposed. Exposed. First exposure. Exploded shit.
Every viewer goes this far.
Marco, put your Marco.
Something you'll see on Instagram, they actually hide the balance, the equity, the free margin, the margin level.
So,
Oh my sake.
other one. How? Look at that. How fake Forex traders fake profits and withdrawals with.
Oh my sake. 1 year ago. 1 year ago.
Watch this.
123.60. Okay, so that's 123.60, and we'll sell there. Done. Bosh. Right, so I've already made 662 grand on this already.
Watch what he does.
See if that's represented on the phone. Really annoying.
What the actual fuck, bruh? Aye, bro.
Sorry about this.
Watch this.
See, if we go here, open positions, there's that cable position there with the 651k sitting here. Okay. I'll move this to another screen so it doesn't do that again. I apologise. Come on. Right, we're back in again. So, FX. Like I said, there is a much longer video. You can see the trade here. So if I wanted to, I can go look at that trade here. You can see. I can adjust my stop loss. I can even modify where I'm in, and I can even take profit.
Nah, these guys are actually really making money off this cock scamming people, go.
Check here.
Well, actually, what I'll do is I'll close on the phone. So you can just see it closed out on the phone. So I'll just hold my finger over it here, so you know it's all live.
Check out changes on the phone.
Take profit.
Damn it.
So there you go. I can do anything I want.
Nah, bruh.
I've made for Tom Danity, which has got the logins.
Exposed.
Let's, I think I've got a Tom D. Yeah, the Tom D, he's got 10 million already. That's
Muhammad.
5 mil.
Muhammad, inshallah, Muhammad. Yeah. These guys are actually.
Deposit.
Brother was everything, you.
You can see that
Damn it.
Instead of the 10 mil the next time he logs in. Alright?
They literally have everything, bruh. What the actual fuck?
Oh, if you want to also see that you've proved kind of when people say, oh, you've got your working orders, that's just
Everything is there. Look, it shows you everything.
Nah, bruh, these people.
all the
It's
time,
actually
though,
got sad, bruh, just to see how they're scamming people, bro.
all real. You like I said,
Look at that. All real.
new order. Let's go. Sell 100 cable.
Sell 100K.
We'll sell 100k right now. And actually, we'll sell them. The market's now 122.90. Let's do it at 123.10. It's not miles away. So you'll see the entrance here. So if we go now, change the piece. There you go. Here, so 123.09. Well,
That wasn't even a real trade.
They're everywhere. They're not expensive to rent.
And people are believing this cock, bro.
Yeah.
Bring it here. I can close it. Bosh. Bank the money. Money's in there. So if we go now back to this, you can see the profits I've just made on that. And the 1.6.
Ah, shit, Marco, you're exposing the people too much now. Like, this shit is the real thing.
600 grand made in 10 minutes. It wasn't a real trade though.
Damn.
We're just turning over 26 on 100 lots for the demo. But basically, you set one of these up, you're 100% legit, you can have any balance you want, any control you want, and really, this is wholesale global scam.
Global.
That's why when it comes to blue screens, I play those games. Me, I want to see your dashboard. If I don't see your dashboard,
Bro, this shit is not right.
Seriously.
The shit is not right. Otherwise, you expose them now, bro. Fuck sakes.
Look here. Look how many times things have been exposed. Scams using MT4, proof included. Why Forex traders use MT4 exposed.
Jesus.
Go to YouTube. They'll show you. They can never show you their dashboard. Never. It can't happen.
And that's what you kept on showing always, all day, every day.
Never show you their dashboard. Never. It won't happen. Why? Because the dashboard can't be that one. You can't fuck around there.
Hi, Marco, you keep on exposing these guys like that. Why? You're gonna be exposing DJ soon, and you're gonna be the most hated DJ.
I know the dashboard can be edited, but on Windows, not on Mac though.
Yeah, nah, bruh. I've seen all this cock now. But otherwise, you can see, man, how so quick? Why so quick? If you can see that quick, nah, something is wrong. Something is up. And your bra, yesterday you posted on your story, what? Deposited 10 mil, but he's driving a what? What is he driving, but he deposited 10 mil? I'm like, nah, these guys are they serious? Who's that guy? I don't even know that guy. I was just laughing the shit out yesterday. I'm checking.
Yo, but this one kills me. Market manipulation explained. Yo, there's so many. How Forex brokers scam you. MT4 dealer plugin.
Otherwise, Marco, also that vault market, I don't trust them at all. That's why I went off. MetaTrader 4 for a while. That vault market, they are doing good now as I'm seeing, but they might cut it. When was it? It was a Thursday that I was trading NES. And I'm like, I was in blues, literal blues. But I couldn't take my trades and my money. I'm like, hey, what is this people up to? And then the account blew. I'm like, vault markets is shit. And that boy Noah, I have nothing against Noah or anything, but he's promoting that shit there as I'm seeing.
You see where I come in and I show that I'm legit is I reset my screen.
Straight up.
You see, when I went live last time and I showed that 15 million in my account.
Yeah.
They were like, no, you were editing it. Then some guy was like, okay, refresh your screen. When I refreshed the screen, everything was still there, meaning that there was no way it could have been edited.
But I'm telling you that vault markets, they're going to be... But okay, Veracity has been better than them also. Since day one, it's just Veracity did what it did, but okay, it happened. But vault markets, soon to be. Just watch that shit, Marco, I'm telling you. How can I be in blues, bro, but I can't take my trades? Like, I can't take my money. It's my money that I just made out of trades. What the fuck?
No, it doesn't make sense.
And since that day, I'm checking there. I'm going to go to IFX or something. But hey, I haven't been trusting all these other brokers, you know. Since that time of Veracity, I'm skeptical, bro. Honestly.
Yeah, no, it's crazy. Then that's the thing. Like, I know that, and you won't be able to edit my FX. You see, it's so difficult to edit off a phone.
So that's the thing.
So now, when I have two phones and I show, you can see that it's not connected to a laptop. You can.
I check what you mean.
This guy's like,
listen to what your guys are saying here. You are the reason why Veracity is no longer there.
So now he's showing you the plugin. So
it's climbed way up, and you know, you can just, before you know it, price will just start popping up real quick on you, and all of a sudden you think, man, as soon as I entered that trade, price just shot up against me. That's because they can do something called a delay, and they can freeze the market. A lot of people call it freezing. It's right here.
They can do anything, hey? This is the plugin.
There's another one.
Yeah, there's too many. They'll show you.
Alright, bro.
Like, yo, there's a lot. There's a plugin. So basically, the plugin allows you to edit whatever you want. But go onto YouTube, and then you'll understand why I don't take the blue screen seriously.
Yeah, Chono. Marco put me in. How you mean? Find that thing. Almost said that tweet. Yeah, I'm so used to Twitter. Not always on Insta. Mr. De Castro.
That's the thing. That's why when someone shows me 10 million in a Forex account, I'll be like, okay, all right, okay. Me, I want to see that 10 million on a phone. You log in live like I do. Will you log in live? Will you log in live? I want to see that. Don't tell me about it.
It's a different story. It's a different story. Yo. Otherwise, guys, it takes time. It takes time, but it takes time on the charts. Like literally, you have to practice. You have to sit. You have to find something that's gonna work for you. And even if you lose with that one thing, also, just don't lose hope, man. Otherwise, yeah. But otherwise, you know the story.
Yeah, no. But okay, if you had to tell people about the mentorship, how's the mentorship?
In the beginning, obviously, I knew some stuff like order blocks and stuff like that. But when things started making sense to me was when I was intermediate. No, not intermediates. When I was, advanced. When I started advanced. You remember I got robbed that time with my breakthrough. I don't know if you saw that message that I said. So I didn't join.
With that guy who robbed you in the, it was you, né? With who that guy texted and said he was me and sent a...
That was the first one. Yeah, it was me. You are right. You are right. You are not wrong. It was that. It's literally that thing also, bro. But yeah, when I got to advanced, my whole game started changing. Yeah, that's when I started seeing, because I went into the market like checking, fuck, I don't have this, I don't have this. What am I gonna do? I can't join the classes this day and this day. But yeah, after that, I back tested, just looking at certain. And then you remember that message I sent you? I said, Marco, I was trading off this thing. And you said, I remember it was a Wednesday session, yeah, you were in. And you said, guys, you can literally just trade based off this thing. And I've been escalating since that time, bro.
Is it? And are you using the butterfly? Are you using Sasha?
Yeah, I'm using Sasha, of course.
Too much, Sasha.
Obvious, I'm using Sasha.
The minute we have a changing character, Sasha is a game changer. That's what people need to understand. The minute we have a changing character, Sasha is a game changer. She will not fail you. That hand will not fail you. Sasha will not fail you. Once there's a changing character on the charts, Sasha will not fail you.
And you know what? I was like, yeah, brah. First time, and Sasha's gonna kill the game. Sasha's gonna kill the game. I'm like, yeah. Why is my end not there? Yeah. And then you could make it a full thing, bro. Like, honestly, just say it's session, man.
Once.
Like, that thing is powerful. You know the story.
Look at Jonathan. Sasha is my first love.
Yeah, bro, but it is powerful, though. If you
But that's
use it
the
the right way, and if you know how to use your shit.
Exactly. I've seen people who are like, I figured Sasha out. I'm like, okay, take the trade. You'll get guys who inbox me and be like, yeah, Marco, Sasha's just your fib. I'm like, okay, if it's just your fib, if it's just your fibs and fib levels, then take Sasha. Please show me Sasha
Then use it.
and let it be a winning trade. Please show it to me. And then they say, yeah, 50%. I'm like, that's not Sasha. 50% is just a retracement. That's not Sasha. Sasha is not a 50% retracement.
You will blow your account from there. You will blow, boy. Ask my me the beginning learning session.
50% retracement. Stop lying to people. I'm like, a 50% retracement when we go right to the bottom and get that sniper entry, and that's a 50% retracement.
So, but that sniper is powerful, ne? From Sasha. That sniper, though.
OG's like, Sasha is too beautiful. Can't wait for tonight's session. Yeah, we're going on at 8. We're going on at 8. I'm taking the guys.
Yeah, otherwise.
I'm taking you guys tonight.
You make it, bruh.
I'm taking intermediate tonight, no? Shit, I am. I'm taking you guys tonight.
I'm checking out. Hey, what the fuck? It's Wednesday tonight. Do we have class? I'm like, man. I'm not intermediate anymore. Long time not. Classes have changed. Come on. I'm like,
yeah, no, now you're on Thursday.
I was checking that out. How can you talk about classes?
Your last one is with me next week.
Yeah, my last one. But I'm not saying goodbye. Finally, I'm not saying goodbye. Fuck. I'm still here. You didn't know the story, Marco. I'm still here.
We are together.
I'm a sniper, me myself. That's why I'm Slick Trader. There's a reason why I'm called Slick Trader. You're a puzzle. They must know the story, man.
But otherwise, yeah. OG, how's your experience been? Yes, we might have more people in this live. Let's see who can come in.
That's what I'm saying. Put Chono and Sean in. Then we will kill this whole shit.
Sasha is not
I'm sure they're still here.
That Sasha is a normal fib. Let them.
Who said so? Who said it's a normal fib?
The future of life is saying Sasha is not a normal fib. But I'm saying if they believe that it's a normal fib, let them believe that it's the normal fib.
Guys, put the N there next to Sasha and then it's my name. Can you see how I'm here meant to be? Just look at that shit.
This is our last week of intermediate. Yeah, then we're going to advance. Hey.
People are talking big now, eh? Otherwise,
did you see Michael made almost a 200,000 rand withdrawal?
When was it?
He was using hot Forex.
Is it? I didn't see that.
It was 173, 172.
Okay.
No, but you're in the advanced. No, I'm talking about the intermediate group.
Oh, I'm thinking you're talking about Mo now. Sorry, I thought you talked about Mo.
Michael. No.
Have you seen what Mo does, bro?
Yeah.
That bro is killing the shit out of everything.
Yeah, no, but he's scalping. If he had to go with vote markets, they won't allow him there. He'll ruin them.
That's what but you see, thank Lord. You see, bruh, now that you're saying this, I've been vote markets, there's something sketchy there. And I'm seeing that. I'm not talking again, I'm gonna say it again. I'm not talking shit on Noah's name or anything. But just me seeing he's there on the pictures. Hey, it's sneaky business up there. Because why? Why is he there?
The question there, Marco trying to prove a point. What point am I proving? We literally just
hey man, Marco. Hey. Marco's been proving a point. I'm one of the points he's proved.
When's the next intake? You guys are finished probably Monday. Monday's the new intake. Monday's the new beginners. Shit. New month, new beginners, yeah.
Yeah, September, we're moving. Hey, I'm done. But I'm still here. Know the story. They must know the fucking story.
Yeah, no. But yeah, I feel like
Who's that guy? Who was that guy that made that 600 USD? 6,000 USD.
6,000. When was? I think it's Mo, bro. Is it in our group? If
Yes,
it's in
yes.
our group, nah, then it's Mo. It's definitely Mo.
Hey, Mo's killing it, eh?
Yeah, bro, that
But
was
he's
killing
using
it. I'm talking
Sasha.
about it.
But you can see he's using Sasha. Have you seen that? He's using Sasha.
Like,
And he's
I've been
also
checking it out.
using
I've been
Sasha.
checking it out, but he's saying it's on swing points,
Mo's
né?
using, Mo's using Sasha, but on a higher time frame. So he's swinging.
Yeah, that's what I'm checking. He's swinging. He's definitely swinging with those trades, and he barcodes the shit out of those trades, bro.
He's swinging. He's swinging. Remember how I taught you guys how to go full margin?
Yeah,
He does
that
that.
was. Yeah, I remember that time.
He does that now. So we get our risk entry, and then we get our
They're right at the bottom.
yes. So what he's doing is he's taking advantage of the of leaving the risk entry and getting in at main entry, and he's going full margin.
After that main entry. Yeah, that's what I'm checking because he barcodes. Yeah, it's the truth actually saying because he must check.
The reason he barcodes is because every time it gives us another entry, he enters. Entry enters, and every time after, you must remember that every time it comes back to give us an entry, right? As long as it's after the risk entry, then we'll be safe until we get
You're talking about that time when they want to come and scare you now. Check what you're saying, Marco.
yes.
Because you've
That's
been
all.
saying that don't be scared to enter again. Don't be scared to enter again. That shit.
Yes.
And you know how I've been seeing. I'm seeing his lot sizes. This thing that you're saying now, it's making sense because his lot sizes, like his beginning lot sizes, would be bigger, and the other ones that he enters after would be small, much more smaller.
Yeah.
You check what I'm saying.
So you see what he did. He went full margin. He's going full margin, and then the little trades are like his risk entries.
Yeah, afterwards, after everything, I'm checking what you're saying.
But it shouldn't be like that. Your risk entry should be your very first point.
Oh,
Everything after that, as long as we don't get a break of structure, would be another entry.
Yeah, as long as you don't get a break of structure. But otherwise,
Obviously, if price is going up, we're looking for a break of structure to the downside. You understand? Because then obviously if we're coming off a supply zone, and people don't get it, people don't understand what a change of character is. I don't understand how people don't get it.
but
A change of
you know what's funny?
People
You know
get
what's
that.
funny?
Did you know that the only time there's ever a mitigation is after a change of character?
After a change of character,
Only
that's
after
when
a change of character is the mitigation
happening.
then taken into consideration. Only after a change.
Only after change of character. And these days when
every time I've seen people every loss up carried before the down move that leaves an imbalance is an order block. The fuck is wrong with you? You clearly don't know how to trade. You clearly don't know how to trade. You need to come to me. Let me teach you things, man. Like I taught you guys, and you've seen it, that only after we have a change in character, price mitigates, and that's the order block.
After that,
I showed you that. That's why we run the imbalance way more than an order block, and we break through order. Have you seen that? Something. Remember in the class last time, and people were spotting out order blocks, and I was like, okay, if that's an order block, then why did price, break right through? It wasn't an order block.
was stepping into imbalance the whole time.
The order block is way lower because the change of character is on a higher time frame. So we still go into the order block, and that's why prices break in the lower time frame order blocks, or rather imbalances.
Yeah. But
And
ish.
people are always like, every time is the last, every time there's an imbalance, there's an order block. I'm like, But that's the way they teach it. That's the way they teach it. If you go on YouTube and look at how they teach order blocks, I look at that and I'm like, no wonder people are blowing accounts. Like, it only makes sense now why people are blowing accounts, because like there needs to be a liquidation in order for price to get that extended push up before going lower. And you're telling me you don't know that? They don't even teach that.
Yeah, they need liquidity grabs.
And I'm like,
But otherwise,
I'm just like, hey, these people, they think every last up candle before the down move, every last down candle before the up move. But remember, remember when you guys first started, you thought every last up candle before the dip was also an order block. It was like the only time an order block appears is when there's a change in character. That's the only time there's a mitigation. The only time. Every other time, they will be coming to a certain imbalance within price, insufficiency in price. You understand? Trying to balance price in a market. But a mitigation only takes price after a break of structure.
Change of character.
I mean, even, I'm not going to mention name, even some of the goats don't teach you order blocks correctly. I'm not going to mention names. I don't want to get into a fuss with anybody, and probably the students here, but even they don't teach an order block correctly. Like, it's the last, it needs to, we need to have a change in character off of a supply or demand zone in order for a mitigation to take place. If we don't have that, there will be no mitigation.
Supply zone.
Yeah, obviously price needs to come off. So if we're looking at a chart, price comes off. So price breaks up. Here's your order block. Price breaks up. This is on a larger time frame, right? But what are we coming off? We're coming off a demand zone. So we have a demand zone. Price goes up, breaks that high, comes back. When price comes back, that will be the mitigation to go higher. That will be the mitigation. Because while
then it respects that low.
Yes. Why? Because we had a change in structure in order to have a break of structure. And therefore, after every break of structure, we're looking for a retest to clear out that insufficiency.
That liquidity.
And then price goes up. And that's every time. So we had our risk entry at that mitigation, right? But in most cases, it's not even a risk entry. But let's say that's your risk entry. As soon as we get that, you understand, when price breaks out, that's your risk entry. As soon as we get that mitigation, that's full margin. And every time we get break of structure, full margin, full margin, full margin. And that's how we barcode. And that's probably how Mo barcodes.
After each and every move that it happens, timing it correctly also, because you must have timing also. Can't just enter.
Yeah, no.
But nah, bruh. As I am now, I'm just grateful in the position that I am now. For now, for me, it's just, I can just fucking kill the charts now and work, and just be on the charts. Because also that I've seen, if you're not going to be on the charts for a while, you can forget some stuff. But it also not breather sometimes, just to take a breather from the charts. Check that thing. And then when you come in, you feel fresh again. And you just murder the shit out of it. But otherwise, you with a lot of shit.
And
that's why I told you also about it. Other things. I want to go into a lot of shit. What you saying?
People don't understand that even when you get a break of structure, right? The minute structure breaks, people want to start selling, and it's like, huh? Price is going to tap in to that low, sweep it, then go up, get momentum in order to take out the next low. Why are you getting,
Yeah.
why are you getting in at that break? I don't get it. Like, some of the stuff I hear on YouTube, I'm just like, what? You actually teach this? You should be ashamed of yourself.
Cloud, bruh. Cloud. But yeah. You that just expose a few out of them sherries now there. How can they do shit like that? Shame people get a fucking
Yeah,
scammed
but
this shit.
you must also remember.
Okay, but
You must also remember.
I
It's
also got
free.
scammed a couple
It's
of
free on
times.
YouTube. No, but you must understand.
Before I joined you, I also got scammed a couple of times. Like, yeah, I've got
No, of course.
scammed a
But
lot.
you must remember, it's free on YouTube. There's a reason why it's free.
Yeah, nah.
I mean, I could also go on to and make a YouTube channel, just get a crazy amount of views, crazy about it, and just teach absolute garbage.
Yeah, nah. Makes sense. And that's what they do, bro. And that's what they literally do.
That's
But
exactly
yeah,
what.
nah, I see there's a reason why you are low-key and moving low-key like this, bro. At the end of the day, it's on the charts and it's the proof in the pudding. The charts that you're showing here, even here on this Instagram pages or whatever the case may be. Because what you show, even that time, I'm talking about when I was now nothing, I was a beginner. That time when I joined you, I just knew because you were showing the real.
What's happening there? Hey, I think it was a flat.
But yeah. Otherwise, yeah, where was I at now? Yeah, when you were sharing all the shit, it's real life stuff. It's it's not just anything that you suck out of your thumb, or even when you share, like, if you make a withdrawal. Let's say you made a withdrawal 3 million. When was your last withdrawal? 3 million.
Yeah.
Yeah, you share that shit. You understand what I'm saying? That's real stuff. That's real day stuff. That's like literally the shit. You can see there. You can see there's Sasha Grasini almost at session. Otherwise, but yeah,
Yeah.
you know the story, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro, I'm gonna buy now, man. Let me take a nap and relax a little bit. You know the story, bro. I'm out.
No stress.
This
Nice.
water is cold, but I can get the keys in much more warm again. But yeah, bro. I'm gonna check you, Marco, tomorrow.
Nice one, bro. Take care, yeah?
How are you? Sharp, guys.
Well, there you have it from Sashin, one of our mentees. He's doing really well. Oh, I thought you gone. What happened?
I'm here. I'm gone now. I want to leave. I don't know how to leave.
Let me
Thought you're gonna
remove you.
kick me out. But my
Don't
phone is
worry.
also flat, so this router is also flat. What?
That's how we remove people. Explain how you locate an order block. Join the mentorship. You learn how to really locate an order block, not this crap that they're showing on YouTube. Oh, wow. No, but some of the stuff that I see on YouTube, guys. And someone was like, ICT's mentorship is free now. Do you think he's giving you the same information he gave to his paid mentorship? You're kidding me. He's giving you the tip of the iceberg. I don't know when. I don't think Ned's gonna buy yet. I still feel like they're gonna fall. I don't know where to, but yeah. My experience with IFX was good. It's just that they took so long to pay out. Sure. They pay out really quickly on PayPal. Like through PayPal, like the small withdrawals. Oh, man, I was getting them instantly. 30 minutes. 30 minutes I was getting my withdrawal. Roughly 30 minutes. Like if I had to do a withdrawal for maybe like maximum I could do was 170,000. But I mean, even 170,000, an hour, money's in. An hour, money's in. But yo, wire transfer. Worst thing ever. I don't trade SMC. I trade SMF. I'm with it. I do SMF, smart money footprints. PayPal is quick though. Yeah, before SMF, I was trading SMC. Well, but SMC is complex for nothing. SMF, there's elements that SMC does not expose of that you need. There's certain things that SMC does not trade that could definitely give them an upper hand that SMF has, which is me. Marco, I've been enjoying the classes this far. What are you in? Intermediate, beginners? Where are you? Advanced? Oh yeah, no, SMC is so complicated. Oh. Whereas SMF, we use what we need to use. And it works. I'm at advanced. Ruan, how would you say the mentorship is? Guys, ICT is a person. Yeah, use it also in the mentorship. I know that.
Only people in the mentorship will know what a headshot is on NAS. I remember Shipper be hitting them headshots. In the beginners, I very much enjoy the knowledge you guys feed us. Thank you. Guys, we've taken 100 Rand to 1,000 Rand over and over and over. Wait, guys, when was our first, when is that first task? It's in the beginners, right? That's when we play around with our psychology. We start playing around with our psychology. Remember? Because in the beginners,